Yo, what is up guys, and welcome back to another After Effects tutorial on how to use the Twixtor effect. So, if you haven't installed Twixtor already, I will leave a link to the plugin in the description below. But let's get this started. So the first thing you want to do is just have your clips lined up here. And you want to have this effect where he moves his arm. So what you want to do is just add Twixtor Pro, go to Effects and Preset, type in Twixtor Pro. And drag that to your clip. Then you just want to mess with the frame rate, just make this 7. And the image prep, make this contrast and edge enhance. By the way, we don't want to have this, we will later remove this. Then make the frame interp blend, motion weighted blend. The warping inverse with smart blend. And let's just remove this. Just press Ctrl Shift D to split. And then press delete. So this is our Twixtor effect right now. I will show you. But as you see, we kind of have this like warp thing. That's kind of the downside. Twixtor doesn't really work with every clip, but I mean it will still work, but it looks kind of weird. So we just want to remove this, to be honest. Yeah, it kind of looks weird right now. So I will just split it right here. Ctrl Shift D again. Then press delete. And this is basically our Twixtor clip. If you want, you can just mess with the speed a little bit. I would just press the stopwatch here, press U, and let the frame go 1 frame before the clip. Then make the speed like 120. You don't want to make it too high because it will skip most of the clip. And then make the speed, then go 1 frame to the right and make the speed like 20 to get this like nice slow-mo effect. Let's see how that looks. As you see, it gives that like nice slow-mo effect. What you want to do then is just press F9. Wait. Then go to the graph editor. Press on this. And then hit Shift while dragging this all the way to the left. And now you will get something like this. And that's basically everything you need to know. If you like this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to my channel if you want to help me out. Also go follow me on all my social media. The links will be in the description below. And I hope to see you in the next one.
Someone watching this shit close. I've been missing Scarlet Road. Might go down as G.O.D. Oh wait, I go hard on Southside G. I'll make sure that no side E.